Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, YouTube tutorial. So in this tutorial I'll be explaining on how we can set up a custom file upload button in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And also we'll be doing this with just a minimum lines of code on JavaScript, just 10 lines of code in JavaScript. So yeah, I have all my files set up, my index.html, my script.js, and my style.css file set up. So in my index.html, I have a div container with the class container div with the class file name, and also I have a div with the class name of file search button and a label for wrapping my icons and input type of file. In my style.css, I have nothing here for now, so let's check this stuff now first before we commence with the styling and JavaScript code. No.